it's Brittany with Insurance 101. Just wanting to talk to you today about full coverage. So, what is full coverage? People hear that term full coverage, and really it's not really a term in the insurance world. It means, do you have comprehensive and collision coverage? So you can have state minimum liability, no personal injury protection, no underinsured motorists, no towing, no rental car reimbursement, but have comp and collision, and people think this is full coverage. So something to think about is, what are these two items? So comprehensive is part of the comp and collision of the full coverage term, and comprehensive covers theft of your vehicle, fire of your vehicle, vandalism, glass breakage. This includes your windshield, as well as a side window that might be broken, falling tree, weight of snow, hail, and then collision with an animal. So those items are comprehensive. They're really not a big ding on your insurance if you have a claim, because it's really nothing you've done to, there's nothing you did. It's kind of unavoidable for some of those items. Collision, on the other hand, is colliding with a stationary object, colliding with a vehicle. Think about like colliding with a home, a tree, a pole at the gas station, just things that you would run into with your vehicle. So it's basically those two items are full coverage. So do you need full coverage? That's something to think about. So the age of your vehicle, if you have a car that is 20 years old, 15 years old, and it's worth $2,000 or $3,000, and you have a $500 or $1,000 deductible, and your car is totaled, and the insurance company says, hey, it's worth $2,000, do you want to walk away with $1,500, or would you rather been putting that money back in your pocket for the term of your policy? So kind of you got to weigh your options there. But when people say, I have full coverage, you need to really think about, what is that? So, I get people who call me and say, I have full coverage, I have the best this and that. And unfortunately, it's not what they've believed it to be. So, I'm happy to go over these items. Take a look at your declaration page. You have some time, pull out your policy paperwork and see what your deductibles are. I have a question. Do you have these coverages? Do you have them and absolutely don't need them? So just things like that to think about. Hope that helps a little bit. Thanks.